Hey everybody, welcome to another vintage overland adventure. On this adventure, we're going to be traveling up Trail 2N49. We're going to find a campsite. To get up to this point so far, I had to take Highway 173 to Highway 138. I took the Silverwood Lake exit. I traveled up Cleghorn Road to get to the trailhead. So why don't you jump in and let's go for a ride. Hey, Larry here. Welcome to Vintage Overland Adventures. It's 70 degrees at 7 a.m. We're going to try to make it up to, I think it's about 6,000 foot elevation. Let's go. Let's try this. It's Sugar Pine Mountain Trail time. Yeah, this is a beautiful trail. Woohoo! The views are amazing. Big old canyons. That wasn't so bad. Yeah. This trail's pretty good. Can't really trail bash it, but you can cruise over it. I did get a little pinstriping already, but not too bad. Almost to Cleghorn Pass. I like this trail. More pinstripes. Little technical section. The old Cleghorn Pass. Hey, there's the trail I just came up on. There's Silverwood Lake in the background. A little windy up here. Getting pretty dense. This is pretty steep right here. Woo! Placing cameras, folks. Wow, this is a crazy trail. So much fun. Rock section, scary. Such beauty. Cool, the forest has given us a tree tunnel. Yeah, stuck in the desert too long. Oh, this is like being in the forest. I wouldn't recommend this with a nice new paint job. Ouch. Nice cliff to the left. Be careful, folks. Woo! Big boys here. Wow. Sorry for not talking too much, folks. This is got to be ready for everything out here. Not a cool little spot. The lake off in the distance. The rocks, the roots, and the trees that are ready to fall down are incredible. So what you all think of this campsite? There's the trail in. It's pretty remote. I just what is not too old. Couple legs. Might have a bear in the neighborhood. I don't know if this is a good campsite. Bear, 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 bear. Yeah, I think I'm gonna skedaddle. So, might not be bear, might be cat. Don't see him sitting anywhere. They usually lay just above the scrub brush on a branch. Time to go to spot 2. So let's get out of here. Yeah, that was a couple legs. I guess you didn't want to eat the legs. Here, I did see a mountain lion once at Silverwood. Be a little fun spending a night up here. Yeah. Oh, look at this. It's a nice little downhill section. Oh, that was a good one. It's all California oaks and pine. I'm going back down the hill. I did see a spot where I can hang out. Oh, it's a pretty good trail. Pretty treacherous. Look at this. Nice rocks. The beauty. I think this is gonna be where I'm gonna hang out tonight. It's hard to see, but the indents, indent, 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 indent. It's pretty soft here, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's pretty soft. I'm a $1.85, can't make it indent like that. I'm guessing a bear walked through here a little bit ago. What do you think of that? Oh, freaked out over the deer remains and the bear tracks. Woo! That was crazy. Well, no camping on that one. Finding the deer bones and hooves, and where I stopped, I went down a little bit further. I found a better spot to camp, and I found those bear tracks, and that was enough for me. So I skedaddled out of here, made it. Sure hope you all had a good time. I sure did. And I'll see you on the next one.